Our verse for today is in Matthew chapter 5, verse 43 to 44. You have heard that it was said, love your neighbors and hate your enemies. But I tell you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. Why is it hard to pray for your enemies?
Kasi they are hurting you. Diba?
They did something horrible to you. What prayer could you pray for your enemy?
Cursed.
Ako every time na may mga gumagawa sa akin na hindi maganda, bless them, Lord. Ako kasi, alam niyo kung bakit? I always believe na kung paano ka sa kapwa mo is a reflection of your life right now. So, kung hindi ka masaya sa buhay mo, you tend to parang make others' life miserable as well. Kaya ang prayer ko talaga sa kanila is bless them. Kasi para mabago yung buhay nila. Bali mo, pag nabago yung buhay nila, mas maging mabuti silang tao.
That's true. It is easy to love and pray for our friends and our family members. We want things to go well for them. We care about them and enjoy asking God to help them and give them what they need to be healthy and happy. But it is much harder to pray for our enemies. When it comes to people we do not particularly like, or those who have hurt us in some way, we often secretly don't want things to work out for them. Jesus knows that it isn't natural for us to feel affectionate for our enemies. That is why he is careful to make sure we understand what he expects from us. As Christians, we are supposed to love our enemies and pray for them. But the good news is that he doesn't expect us to do this in our own. He intends to help us. We just have to ask him.
What do you got, guys?
Love your enemies.
Sabi nga ni Estes.
Ano, guys? Ano?
Kapag kailangan mo daw tulong, yung mag-pray for your enemy, puntan mo daw si Lord. Ask God for guidance.
Pag nahirapan kang maging mabuti at ipag-pray sila. Tama naman yun.
To do that, sabi ni Kalita, praise me and you have my mercy.
Anyway, yun na nga, sinasabi sa DBS natin ngayon na it's very important na you pray for your enemies. Tama ba ako? You pray for your enemies. You pray for them. Kasi,
The way you pray
alam
your
niyo sa totoo
family.
lang, sinasabi nga dito sa DBS natin, di ba, na hindi madaling ipag-pray yung mga taong nakakapanakit sa'yo. Yung mga taong hindi gumagawa sa'yo na mabuti. Pero sinasabi rin dito na God knows your struggle. Kaya naman, He is encouraging you na lumapit ka sa Kanya, magpatulong ka sa Kanya. Kasi lahat naman ng pinapagawa ng Panginoon sa'yo is not just your battle, but also His battle. Diba? So, every time na you feel like it's so hard to pray, yung mga taong to pray for those na nananakit sa'yo, and to do good things sa mga taong nananakit sa'yo, then ask for God's strength. Kasi walang imposible sa Diyos. At saka, may naisip kasi akong thought kanina, hindi ko maalala. Ako, naniniwala ako that when you pray for your enemies, you understand na they are not perfect people. Or you understand na you are not a perfect person as well. So you cannot expect them to be a perfect person as well. Yung grace na ibinigay sa iyo ng Panginoon is the same grace that you will be tawag nito, giving sa ibang tao, especially sa mga taong hindi nagiging mabuti sa iyo. Diba? Ako sa totoo lang, I cannot be bad to my enemies. Kasi simple lang. Hindi naman ako perfecto eh. Why do I ask them to be perfect as well? 'Di ba? Kung ang Panginoon nga tinatanggap ako na hindi ako perfecto, minamahal ako at binibless pa rin ako. Who am I to do otherwise to other people? 'Di ba? So if you know and if you are humble enough to know that you yourself is a sinner, that you yourself is not perfect, then it would be easier to pray for other people. Kasi you know you are experiencing the same struggle as they are. And you are in the process of changing and becoming a better person. 'Di ba? And so they are this. So ganun din naman sila. 'Di ba? So it's very important that you pray for them kasi they are struggling too. No one wants to be a bitter person. No one enjoys to see other people
Suffering.
miserable. Kaya lang naman sila ganun kasi they feel like they are miserable. They want other people to be the same like that. 'Di ba? And no one wants to be miserable. Even you, even us, we don't want to be miserable. So, kung nasa sitwasyon sila na ganun, help them, pray for them. Kasi they are struggling. They might be strong up front sa pinapakita nila sa'yo. But deep inside, they are struggling. They are lonely. They are sad. They are jealous. There are lots of bitterness in their heart. That's why it is very hard to be kind. It is very hard to love others. 'Di ba? And if you have the abundance of love and grace and forgiveness na ibinibigay sa iyo ng Panginoon, then it is for you to share it to people na hindi nakakaranas nun. 'Di ba? So pray for them because you are blessed, because God is with you and you can experience Him. Can you pray, ate?
Dear God, please help us love our enemies. Please remind us to pray for them. Amen.